Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about allspice, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with allspice. So if you're getting experimental and you're using allspice and you're not quite sure what to do with it, hopefully this list will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, there's beans of all types, especially even baked beans, beef, chicken, lamb, nuts in general, pecans in particular, pork, and sausage. In the way of vegetables, we know that allspice goes with beets, cabbage, carrots, chilies, cucumbers, ginger, onions, root vegetables in general, squash, as in winter squash like butternut squash, acorn squash, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes. In the way of fruits, allspice goes with apples, bananas, coconut, fruit in general, cranberries, mangoes, oranges, peaches, pears, pineapple, pumpkin, and tamarind. In the way of grains and grain products, allspice goes with grains in general, and in particular oats and quinoa. In the dairy and non-dairy category, allspice goes with ice cream and yogurt. And in the other foods category, allspice goes with chocolate, sounds good, rum, sugar, and vinegar, especially apple cider and red wine vinegars. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.